Welcome back to my video. Today I am going to be doing a toy-tastic slime challenge in the bucket. Slime-tastic in the bucket challenge. My guess. My guest is, my guest is Messiah. I told you, just wait a minute. Anyway, so like I said, we're gonna be doing the slime toy-tastic bucket challenge. That's what we're gonna be doing, right? Okay. The slime toy-tastic bucket challenge. Oh. Play by the rules. Play by the rules. 101 family card. Okay. It says play by the rules. So, but ow! We have to get these open, so yeah. My brother will vlog until I get this open. There we go, now I got it open. It took me ages.
My stuff is not in there.
But I'm not in there either. Alright, anyways, like I said, we're gonna be doing the slime toy-tastic bucket challenge.
Don't do me like that. Huh?
Why you do that? You was sitting on the floor. So like I said, we're doing the slime toy-tastic bucket challenge. That means we're seeing which slime is the best. So go get the other slime.
No.
We're seeing which slime is the best. And then after we're done playing with it, we're gonna vote which one is the best. Please vote mine.
Mine.
And then we get to switch after.
Okay. Mine is the best.
No, mine. 3, 2, 1, it's time to vote. Let's see Kimura's.